If you want the most trustworthy people to help you buy or sell your home, then you have to call those Callaways, because they are going to take care of you. And of course, we have with us Joe Coleman, who's going to tell us about another fantastic home.
Yep, we have a picture-perfect 5-bedroom, 3.5 bath Village at Aviano home. It's got a great feature, which is upstairs laundry, where all the bedrooms are, and so you get the opportunity to do the laundry and not have to schlep it up and down, up and down. I love that. It's got an awesome backyard. It's got a slide, a grotto, a built-in barbecue, artificial turf area. It's just a wonderful home. Well,
and in Aviano, they have a huge community that comes with that. I mean, they have the clubhouse and everything that go along with the home, so that's amazing of what they can get there. Love the community. What are we looking at price for this?
It's priced at $749,000.
Okay, that is a great deal.
It is. It's over a 4,000 square foot home as well. So big house, picture perfect, like I said, and only $749,000.
Well, and like I said, I'm very partial to. I love the area. I actually lived in there, and I love the fact you've got great schools there. You've got like I said, the community, and the homes are just beautiful homes in there. So once again, I'm going to tell them they need to pick up the phone. They have to call you. If they can't jump on this one right away, then I know you're going to help them get in something else.
Absolutely.
Well, thanks for joining us again.
Thank you.